Welcome to another TriMech video tech tip. Today I'm going to show you how to utilize your feature tree and its options so that you can see the information that you're looking for more readily. The first thing I want to show you is just how we can see the parent-child references between certain features. If you right-click on the part, you'll notice that there is an area here where we can toggle on the dynamic visualization reference arrows. And what this is going to do is if you have these on, it's going to show you the parent-child relationships between different features. So with these turned on, you'll notice as I hover over a part, it's going to automatically put arrows on the screen showing me exactly where the parent and child references are. The other thing that I want to point out is the ability to manage our feature tree and how it's displayed. Again, we can right-click on the part, go to Tree Display, and we notice that we have a lot of options here. Now, some of these are also available at the assembly level. Unique to the part level is the ability to show a flat tree view. By toggling this on, it means any of the sketches that are contained within certain features will now be visible without us having to expand those features. So you'll notice here that I've got my base revolve, and I can readily see the sketch that was used for that specific feature. Toggling that off, again I just right click on the top level, uncheck show flat tree view, and we are back to our more collapsed version of the feature tree. This time I have to expand each one of the features to see which sketches that they are using and then contain. The last thing I want to show is the ability to filter. So this has seen improvements over the years. The filter is right here at the top, and we can filter for all kinds of things, properties, types of features. So if I'm looking for something like a cut extrude, I can just start typing in cut, and it's going to filter down only those features that have a cut extrude. Now this does even more when we get to the assembly level, so let's take a look at that. Here I have an assembly, and if I want to start using the filter can not only look for part names and things like that, but it can also look for properties. Now a lot of this is going to be controlled is if you hit this little drop-down menu, where we can see there's some options here to look in the custom properties, so it can filter for custom properties, but it can also filter this graphics view. So what that's going to do is it's going to hide everything that does not meet the filter. So let's turn that on, and we'll see just how this works. So let's say, for example, I want to know all the components that have 1060 alloy as the material. So that's a property that we can search for. I can type in 1060. And it filters down to only those options that have that 1060 alloy. Now if I turn the graphics view off, then I would still see the entire assembly, but only these would show up in the feature tree. Again, this works for things like properties, part names, and etc. So we can use this for a lot of different options. I hope these tech tips are useful to you, and thank you for watching.